Wow, fancy meeting you guys here. Let me recap you guys on the things that have been happening. Yesterday we ended up getting the keys. Yay! I only filmed a little part which I'll insert now. We just got the keys. The kids checking out the room. We are officially what, babe? What?
Homeowners?
What? How does it feel? It feels better than actually getting married, huh? We should have done this first. I wanted it to feel like our moment because I feel like with our luck, we don't have moments like that. A day before yesterday when we got the keys, I ended up getting a really good deal on some washer and dryers. Washer and dryer, if you guys have seen my empty house tour, that is actually going to be upstairs. So it's currently in the garage right now because we're planning to do flooring. So today is moving day. It's Tuesday. I'm actually working right now, and during in between times I'm helping my husband and my kid pack. I ended up requesting to work half day tomorrow, which is Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday when I have off. We ended up getting a fridge today, so yay. We ended up, I guess because of the epidemic, there's not really a lot of fridges and stoves. It's not like the fancy smart fridges, but it's better than the fridge that we have now, which let me show you. So this is like the basic fridge, and then I wanted one that had a water dispenser and ice because we've been struggling with that here. So far this is how everything looks. I had a lot of boxes in that corner right there. All that is done. I'm gonna put all these empty boxes, and our rooms still have boxes. I feel better now. I don't feel stressed whatsoever anymore now that we have the keys. Hopefully all the stress spots go away, and it's hot, and us packing and going up those little tiny steps. Let me tell you, it's not, I think I'm good for the whole year of working out, but yeah, I'll take you guys along with us on this journey and stick around. We forgot our face mask, so now I have a caca face mask that we found behind my mom's truck, and this fool's wearing, let me see, he's wearing a, do you guys remember this back in the 90s for the hair? Oh, and then he has hot sauce on his titty. Anyway, we're looking at fridges. We already bought ours, but he just likes to compare and contrast. that one was our first option, huh?
Yeah.
Our fridge is more modern because it doesn't have this. Right?
Yeah.
Hi everyone! Oh my god, okay, so today I'm gonna do a quick, and by quick I mean I'm gonna show it off, you know what I mean? I'm gonna do a quick updated painted house tour. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, so right when we ended up getting the keys, we ended up painting. So if you guys remember, all upstairs looks completely different, and this blotchiness, remember you guys, the walls are pretty red and it's a circus. So yeah, it took I think 2 coats on the red to get pretty off, but I wanted to take you guys again on this house tour because it's my first home and I feel like, wow, we made it, you know what I mean? I've been with my husband for like 15 years now, and you know, with all the struggles and everything, we made it. But look, you guys, it's my first fridge. Oh my god, no more apartment fridge for sure. It's something bigger, something new. Guys, I'm just so excited. I still can't believe that this is my fridge. My fridge. I've never had a water dispenser, an ice dispenser, a crushed ice dispenser. I was so excited when we got this fridge. It came today. Let's go upstairs so I can show you guys how different it looks. Now, if you guys saw my house tour, my empty house tour, you guys definitely should check it out if you haven't. I still can't believe this is mine, but all these floors are coming up, and look, you guys, it is white. So I wanted to do white. I wanted to start completely fresh. At this point, I did not know exactly what I wanted the house to be, and we are extremely on a budget. We are living paycheck to paycheck. I mean, this is California, what the fuck. But anyway, okay, so this is the first bedroom. This is my oldest son's room. Initially, this bedroom was actually a living room, so there was no walls or anything. When you come up the stairs, it's just an open second living room, or third, because there's 2 living rooms downstairs, but they ended up closing that down, and it ended up being in a room, and it all worked out because now my kids have their very own room. And it's fantastic. I love it. Now when you walk out, if you guys remember that this part right here, it was red, I believe, and it is completely white. It is such an incredible feeling to know that, you know, this is just like a fresh start out of, you know, going through this epidemic and buying a house in an epidemic. It was not hard at all, you guys. It was very easy. I think we made several offers, and this house and another house, we ended up getting accepted, and the other house was just not meant to be for us. We ended up denying it at the end because we just fell in love with this house. It was bigger, it had more room, it had more square footage. But here's an overlook of the first part of the house. Now these floors are absolutely not gonna stay, so that's why they are ruined. Actually, if you guys get these are laminate flooring, so we ended up tearing this down. This door right here is from our master bathroom. Someone, the owners before us, they ended up using the master bathroom to be smoking in there, and in a short clip you guys will see how gross it is. And this is my daughter's room right here. This is actually the brightest room there is in the house, and it's the most done room that there is. Make sure you guys follow my social media so you guys could see how the updates are coming day by day. I try to post every single day, but I don't know, you guys, I am just so excited that this is our home. It's huge, it's so spacious, it looks so different now, you guys. I think we've been here for 6 months already, and I'm barely having the time to sit down and actually show you guys. So this is the laundry room. The laundry room, for me, it's not all that like, oh my god, I need to fix it right away. This is one of the very least projects that I'm really looking forward to because it's such a small space. It's very easy to fix. We ended up getting the washer and dryer, like I said in my previous video. We ended up getting it on OfferUp, and then the fridge, we actually got it at Best Buy. Here is the upstairs bathroom. I ended up wanting the whole house cohesively done, everything making sense. So everything, the floor upstairs and downstairs are going to be the same. And then the flooring, the laminate flooring that you guys see right now, we ended up actually just pouring water all over it, scraping the paint off, and selling it on OfferUp. That was really cool. We ended up doing that. And then this room right here is one of the second biggest room that there is. So this house has 5 bedrooms, and this room right now is being occupied by my mom. I'm so happy that she's here. I'm very, very happy that she's here, actually. And we wanted this room, or I wanted this room to be my beauty room, but my room is extremely huge right now. It's very big, so there was no need for that, and I'm very happy that my mom moved in. So all the walls were red, yellow, blue, and it was just crazy. But you guys, I'm so excited. Follow me for so much more DIYs. I get everything from OfferUp, Goodwills, and all that, so make sure you guys are following me through this house journey and this new chapter in my life. I am so excited to show you guys. Right now, you guys are gonna see on the very next clip shortly, once I go into the bathroom, how the bathroom really stank like ass because, again, people were smoking in there. So yeah, but either way, it took like 5 coats of paint, and then a little bit more, and then a little bit more. But you guys, I'm very excited. Follow me for so much more. Subscribe, and if you guys want to see anything in the future, let me know because it's about to go down. Bye.